Why did Swiss cheese have to be the one that has holes in it? It makes it very inconvenient. Hold on. Don't fall apart, please. No holes. Howdy, it's been a while. I'm going to make a Swiss Army knife out of Swiss cheese. I asked for a couple really thick slices. What I'm going to try to do is somehow get a knife out of this. I don't know. My brain right now just wants to eat it. So we don't want to do that right now. We want to make a knife. Where are the toothpicks that I got? Because we're gonna piece it together with toothpicks. And yeah, that's my only plan. I'm just gonna cut shapes out of the cheese. I don't know if I should try to cut it like thinner. I'm gonna cut this one like here, because my Swiss Army knife doesn't have to be very big. It just has to do its purpose of being a Swiss Army knife. Cheese. I love cheese. Cheese is delicious. Okay, I'm gonna try to cut this in half. We'll see how that goes. Why did I do this to myself? What? Okay, we're gonna come from this side. Cutting it in half, not my brightest idea, because I just messed up the whole thing. This is a frustrating turn of events. My cheese got messed up. We're still trying. We're attempting still. I swear, you're stupid, cheese. Okay, I just wanted to have the outer shell or something. Don't judge me, you would do this too. Well, not make this, but you would eat it as well. Here's the casing. I don't fully trust it to do the best. We're gonna make a bottle opener. How are you going to do that, Kelly? How are you planning on doing that? Why did Swiss cheese have to be the one that has holes in it? It makes it very inconvenient. So then, this is when we hope that the toothpicks will work. You stick it through the cheese. And then, okay, all right. This is kind of exciting my brain now. I don't know what tool this is, but this can also be one, right? I'm not sure what it is, but it's pretty cool looking. This one isn't very elaborate, you know? This one can be a screwdriver. We're getting very advanced with our things. I'm gonna try to cut this one in half too, because that goes amazing when I try to cut things in half. Whatever, it's fine. Bam. Hold on, don't fall apart, please. Please, don't fall apart. That's saying a lot for like the edge pieces. This will be a very short video because, I feel like it's done. Just look at it. You can take out your screwdriver or try to put back your screwdriver, or take out your, hold on. No holes. You could take out your bottle opener, or try to. Perfect Swiss Army knife, right? Looks just like one. And if you ask me, I got way too much cheese. I have a problem. Here, hold on. Let me get the other hooligans out of the way. I'm a completely normal person. I hope you like this video. It was very short, very dumb idea, and I'm glad I executed it. If you have any other dumb ideas, leave them in the comments below. And if you didn't like this video, well, that sucks. Bye.